y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have a step calf workout. So if you are ready, go ahead and grab a step. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and do this workout on anything like a bottom of a stair or a curb. If you don't, you can still do this workout. You don't need any equipment, and let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are going to step up on that step, and we are just going to lift here. So we are doing these raises for 2 whole minutes here for this first move. We are coming down and lifting up, coming down and lifting up. Let me show you from the side here what this view looks like. So we're lifting up, our heels are just coming down, hovering right off the edge here, and we're lifting up. So if you don't have a step, you can still do this workout on the ground without a step. But if you don't have a step and you have something like stairs, you can go onto the edge of the bottom of the first stair and lift up. Y'all got this. So we're just lifting up and up. So this is a great move for those calves, a great way to tone and target those calves, get them nice and toned. After this workout is done, be sure to stretch, because we won't be including a stretch portion of this workout, but it is super important you stretch. Okay, we have 1 minute left on this first move. This has just gone by so quickly, and this whole workout is super short. So if you need to pause, you can always come back after you have stretched or grab some water, but make sure that you return. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our next move, we are going to be doing calf raises just on one leg with our right leg here. So our right toe is coming up about halfway on here, and we are lifting up. So we are doing this one for 1 minute. This move does require a bit of a balance. So if your balance is not great, or if you are a beginner, feel free to just do this on the ground here instead of adding that extra stuff with the step. Or if you are not much of a beginner, you can also just bring it down onto both toes here and lift up. So if you are wobbling around a little bit, that is fine. If you need to hold on to something, you can do that. Another trick for your balance is to look at something that doesn't move. So here we are just lifting up and up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our next one, we are going to bring that left toe up to the top here, and we are going to lift up here. We got this move for 1 minute here. So we're lifting up and up and up and up. So here you can just leave that other leg just kind of hovering out. If you are doing it on a single leg here, you can bring that other toe wrapped around your other calf here. You can bring it out to the side. Whatever works best for you. And if you're having trouble with balance, once again, you can bring your arms out to the side here. Hold onto something. And y'all got this. So just keep lifting up and up. And so just lift up and up. We are almost done. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we are going to stretch. So you can bring that toe right up here on the edge of the thing, on the step here, and your heel is touching the ground. And just bend down and reach and grab that toe here. I can really feel this in my calf. This is a great stretch to do after you've been doing a lot of calf workouts. Stretching is super important after you do these calf workouts. Okay, and let's lift up Now we'll do the same thing on our right leg, so bringing that right toe up, touching the step, our right heel on the ground, bending that left leg back, and touching that toe. Okay, so this officially concludes our step calf workout. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. Like and comment and subscribe down below. Have a great day. Bye.